Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name's Adriana Luna and I do my best to upload 2 times a week for you guys to keep you guys entertained. But make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also that little notification bell so you guys can be notified of my upcoming videos. First of all, let me tell you guys that I was so freaking sad yesterday because my ring light busted and broke. Shattered everywhere in my carpet. I was seriously about to cry because I was like, oh my god, like I can't film, like I can't, like, because I depend on the light. But then I know that I have 2 soft boxes which I'm filming with right now, and I am so grateful for them because if not, then I will have to fight with the daylight. But I'm so grateful for the soft boxes because I always would talk shit like they're just 2 soft boxes that give me some light, and look at them now. Yes, so don't ever talk shit about anyone because you never know. Anyways, that was just dumb. On today's video, I want to create this look for you guys. So it's like a get ready with me type of look, but I hope you guys like this type of video. But come on, phone. Okay, so something like this. What do you guys think? This is like a summer glowy seductive date night look. This girl was just like, oh, calling my name. I was like, dang, she is beautiful. Whoever she is, I don't know. I would like to follow her. But I'm also going to be using a lot of new products that I received. So maybe after this, you know, whole shajin, is that a word? Whatever. After this whole video, I will do an unboxing PR video for you guys so you guys can see everything that I got. So I'm going to begin by moisturizing my face, and I'm going to be using the Pixi Glow Tonic Serum. It's kind of like gooey. You guys see that? Reminds me of aloe vera. Okay, so for foundation, Avon sent me out their new no filter just Magic's what is this? They're tinted moisturizers. So it's their tinted moisturizers, and what it says that is instant moisturizing, softens the look of fine lines and wrinkles, radiant, sheer coverage, paraben free, breathable, hypoallergenic, and it's retail for $14. So here is how they look. They're really, how do you say it, like picture worthy. Here's how the box looks. It's funny how they sent out the box separate. Here's how the box looks. So I'm going to be trying out this one, which this one is the light medium. Ooh, Dios. I am going to use the Born This Way multi-use concealer in color Vanilla. I'm going to apply it to my lids. You guys know that I don't do no primer. All you need is concealer or foundation and you're good, girl. Alright, so now that we look like a ghost, I'm going to contour, and I'm going to be using also Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. This actually does take a little bit longer to blend because you don't ever want to walk out of your house with that line. Like, no, girl. Make it look as natural as possible. Get rid of that line. That's why I also use like my beauty blender. You guys see? There's no line. So now I'm going to set everything. I'm going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder Foundation. It's applied on my T-zone. I don't have like any new setting powders. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Full Spectrum CoverGirl in So Saturated. I already used this foundation. I already used this palette, but I never showed you guys because I really didn't like the video how it came out. But this palette is so good, you guys. I really recommend it for you guys, and I know that it's affordable too. So I'm gonna begin with this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. The eye a little bit with that color I showed you guys. I'm going to be applying a couple coats of this Lancome mascara, which is their Monsieur Big Lancome mascara. Alright, so all I did was just apply some lashes because lashes are a girl's best friend. So what I'm going to be doing is applying a blush now. And the blush that I'm going to be using is by The Balm, which is called their Bonfire Highlighting Shadows and Blushes. So it's a duo. And the packaging, I swear, they always get me with their packaging. It is freaking cute. So I'm going to be using Dawn just a tiny bit because blushes are not my thing, but I've been a good girl and I've been trying them. It's like a highlighter on me. I don't want my cheeks to be splendid. I don't want my cheeks to be, you know, let me say that word, highlighted, obviously. Because then you can see, can you see that? It picks up the pores here. But it is a gorgeous color. Such a gorgeous color. Alright, so let me just wet my beauty blender, you guys. I'm using my my Wet n Wire Rose Toner to wet it because I'm so lazy to get up and go. Alright, so moving on to the lips, I'm going to be using the new Red Blonde Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. And I am in color. And the color that I'm going to be using is in High Shine. I think that's the name of it. So this is going to be my first time trying it. Let's see how it works. Oh, it smells so good. Coming back to life. Moving on to highlight because we are almost done. I'm going to be using the Girl Lactic and it's in Skin Glow Glamorous. So creamy and gorgeous. A little bit goes a long way. To lift this area. It is on the pink side, which I don't like. And now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Fix and Go by Rimmel. Here is the completed look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. It's really glowy, nighttime glowy, summer appropriate. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this, but around those lines. It's easy to do, create. It doesn't, you know, take so many products to create this look. So make sure to leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.